Today, we're going to create an exciting, fun, and engaging Valentine's Day teaching video for kids using Wondershare DemoCreator. If you're a teacher, content creator, or someone who just loves making videos, this tool is perfect for you. I'll guide you step by step through the process, from setting up your recording to adding voiceovers and fun animations that will captivate kids. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you don't already have Wondershare DemoCreator installed, you'll need to download it. Head to the description below and follow the link to get the latest version. It's simple to install, and once it's done, just open the program. When you open it up, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface that's great for both beginners and advanced users. Now that we're inside the program, we're ready to start creating our Valentine's Day video. Next, let's click the video recorder button. This will give you several options for recording. Since we're creating a teaching video, we'll select Video Presentation Mode. This mode allows us to add animations, voiceovers, and interactive elements. Perfect for keeping kids engaged. Once you click on that, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. For this Valentine's Day video, you'll want to pick something bright and colorful, filled with hearts and fun designs. Don't worry, you can easily customize these templates to make them your own. Change the background, swap images, or adjust the text to suit your lesson. For example, you might want to replace the default text with Happy Valentine's Day, or Let's Talk About Kindness. Once you've customized the template to your liking, let's move on to adding a voiceover. Adding a voiceover is a key part of making the video engaging for kids. To add your voice, simply click the mic icon in the toolbar. Make sure your microphone is plugged in and ready to go. Hit the record button and start narrating your lesson. For example, you might say, "Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson on Valentine's Day. Let's talk about how we can show kindness to our friends this season." It's important to keep your voice upbeat and friendly to capture the kids' attention. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always go back and re-record any part of your narration. The goal is to make your voice sound exciting and interactive. Now that we have our voiceover recorded, it's time to start the actual recording of the video. You'll notice a large red button that says Record. When you click it, you'll get a 3-second countdown before the recording starts. This gives you time to get ready to show the lesson on screen. As the recording progresses, make sure to walk the kids through the content. You can use the animation features to add hearts floating across the screen, or even show simple examples of kindness, like sharing with a friend or giving a compliment. Keep it lively, keep it fun, and remember, this video is for kids, so the more interactive and playful, the better. Once your recording is done, we'll move on to editing. This is where we'll really bring the video to life. In the editing panel, you can trim, cut, and adjust your video clips. Let's say you want to remove a part where you stumbled over your words, or you want to cut out a section that's not necessary. Simply drag the timeline to the section you want to edit and trim or cut it out. You can also add transitions between clips, heart-shaped fades, bouncing text effects, or sparkles are all perfect for a Valentine's Day theme. Adding these effects will keep the video visually interesting and engaging for younger viewers. You can also add text overlays like "Be kind" or "Happy Valentine's Day" to reinforce key messages. Adding these small touches can make your video much more professional and fun to watch. Once you're happy with the edits, it's time to preview your video. Hit the preview button to watch everything come together. This is your chance to catch any last-minute changes before finalizing it. If everything looks great, you can move on to exporting the video. Click on the Export button, and here you can choose the resolution you want for the final video. I recommend exporting it in 4K for the best quality, but you can choose a lower resolution if you're working with smaller file sizes. Once you've selected the resolution, hit Export and your video will begin processing. After the export is complete, your Valentine's Day teaching video is ready to go. You can now share it with your students, upload it to your YouTube channel, or even send it to your friends and family. The possibilities are endless, and with DemoCreator, creating high-quality, engaging videos is easier than ever. So there you have it. You've just created an amazing Valentine's Day teaching video for kids using Wondershare DemoCreator. How cool is that? If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy teaching!